feel like it's gonna be a bad day. I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy.
Lavender.
Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to
Well,
job, cash in for a ticket. I'm
the same like 17, 16. The same like 16.
just the beginning. I need a big change.
Yep.
I feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back. Moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams. We all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Oh, okay. Not nine. Ooh. It looks beautiful. Thank you. In person. The new fancy color. Woo-hoo. This is the one without the SIM card tray. Yeah, this is the thing I'm seeing here. None of them got the SIM card tray. That's the thing I'm seeing. This is the thing I'm seeing here. None of them got the SIM card tray. They are all eSIM. Yep, they're all eSIM. I thought it was only in America. Then 17 Air, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max.